partly sunny. Highs around 90. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Thunderstorm warning for central Williamsburg County in northeastern South Carolina until 6:45 p.m. At 5:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near eastern Lake Marion, or 15 miles south of Manning, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Salters, Trio, Lane, Greeleyville, King Street, Williamsburg Regional Hospital, and Gordon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florida and the surrounding area.